Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Brawl Stars ID. Your player tag is a unique identifier for your account, crucial for many in-game interactions. It helps distinguish your profile from millions of other players. Understanding where to find it and its importance can save you time and effort, especially when connecting with friends or seeking support for your game. Finding your player tag is quite straightforward. First, launch the Brawl Stars app on your mobile device. Once the game loads, look for your profile icon, typically located in the top left corner of the main screen. Give that a tap, and your profile will appear. You'll see your player tag clearly displayed right below your in-game username, ready for you to use. Your player tag has a specific format that makes it unique. It always starts with a hashtag symbol, followed by a series of letters and numbers. This combination creates a distinct identifier for every single player in the game. Knowing this format helps you recognize your tag instantly and ensures you are sharing the correct information when needed. Your player tag is incredibly important for several reasons. You'll need it to add new friends and connect with other players in Brawl Stars. Furthermore, if you ever encounter an issue or need assistance with your account, Supercell support will ask for this tag. It's a vital piece of information, so keep it handy and secure for all your gaming needs.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.